Last time on Pole House Bike Pot Weekend Getaways, we visited the area around Warsaw, checked out some hiking trails nearby, and fixed dessert burritos. This time we visit Warsaw downtown, and we fixed Italian beef. Stick around!
I think they're done, hon. All right, here we are in downtown Warsaw again. Came here yesterday and had breakfast. Saw it was a pretty little town. We should have got some video of it. We did not. So
Here's
we do it
where
today.
we ate breakfast
right
on the
over
left.
here. On the left. There's our breakfast stop at the Rusty Skillet. Pretty good place.
Yeah,
and there's some meat, those shops over here. Of course, with this being on
Sunday, there was
Sunday,
only one that I saw that was
not
open.
much open, but that's all right. We don't mind restaurants and or stores that are closed on Sundays. And let's see.
There's a nice little courthouse.
And over on the left is the Benton County Courthouse. It's pretty. We're gonna go down here a minute and turn right and kind of go down, and I think there's some more little spot down by
Osage River.
I think that's right. I think this is the Osage River down here. I'm not for sure. There's a couple of rivers that kind of run in around here that are kind of confusing. So I'm not for sure which one this is, but anyway, it's another beautiful body of water that everyone can use for recreational fishing, boating, whatever.
Do not enter that way.
Okay, what'd you get, Angel?
I got a cherry fritter.
And I got a Pavilion cream-filled chocolate long john. And we got a couple more
And
coffees.
2 coffees.
Yep.
So, we're going to be headed back to camp here shortly.
How is yours? You wanna try it?
I'm going to try it.
A little crunchy, little chew to it.
Irish don't get this, so we're going to eat it before we get
Yeah,
back in
she's
the
back
truck.
in the truck. She'll be pestering us to. Let me try mine.
She'll want to share.
I'm not much on cream-filled stuff, but Bavarian cream's pretty good, though. I don't like jelly-filled at all. Put a lot of cream out. Yep, that's pretty good.
Well, hello. This is Future Self. We didn't air this video last week because, unfortunately, Wade and I were both sick. Actually, all 3 of us were sick. Wade, Leslie, and I. We all had COVID, and then I wound up with some bug after that. So we didn't have a video last week. This video this week's going to finish up our Osage Bluff visit to Truman Lake. But we wanted to tell y'all that our cookbooks are in. And how you order our cookbooks is you can send a money order or a check to Pole House Black Pots, P.O. Box 212, Fayette, Missouri 65248. Now, the cookbooks themselves are $20 plus $6 shipping and handling. So that'd be a check for $26. If you send a money order, please include your mailing address so we can get it to you. You can also get it through Venmo. It'll be $26 there too. And in the notes section of Venmo, you need to put your address so we can get it to you. Your name and your address. If you have any questions, you can email us at polehouseblackpots. That's all one word, at gmail.com. And we want to wish you a Merry Christmas and thank you for watching this video. Well, the sun come out.
Sun's out. It's nice. For supper, we are going to do
Italian beef.
Yep, Italian
Which
beef.
we were going to do that last night.
Yeah.
But it was awful windy.
It was awful windy and nasty, so.
I'm going to go ahead and get started.
Yep. You're going to start with a beef chuck roast.
Yes, it's a 2.5 pound.
And you're just going to cut it into about 4 chunks just to kind of help cook it a little bit faster. You don't have to do that. And you can use...
you said cut it in 4.
This way. It's fine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You can do a chuck roast, rump roast, whatever you like. And you can make it venison one, too.
Yes, we've done that. It's very good that way.
I'm going to get out of the way real quick.
This is my mama's recipe. First time I fixed the way he's going. I mean, that's all that's in there? Yep, that's all that's in there. All right. Well, it didn't cut very good. There we go. Okay, down. Will you throw that away for me, honey? So I don't get blood everywhere. 1 jar of pepperoncinis. Everything. Pepperoncinis, juice, everything. Okay? Now, let me see here. I need a spoon. I guess I'll use this one. And I'm going to say about a heaping tablespoon of Italian seasoning.
Gotta have a lot of seasoning to make it Italian, don't we?
Yep. And a little bit of better than bouillon. I'd say
tablespoon?
Well, maybe not quite a tablespoon.
Somewhere in that neighborhood. Yeah, I'd say that's probably a good tablespoon.
Dump that all around. And guess what, dear? It's ready to bake or cook. That's it. Not even any salt and pepper, because them pepperoncinis have plenty of peppery flavor.
And plenty of salt in them. Yeah, that's right.
So, there you have it. Now you just gotta let it cook long and slow.
This is also a good crock pot recipe, is it not?
Yes, it is. That's what it started out of.
Yeah.
Started out as.
Okay, I'll go get it over the fire.
Well, honey, do you think it's time to check it?
Well, it's been 3 hours.
Yes.
Let's see. Been cooking pretty good. Looking good.
Oh, yeah, it is.
I got me a trusty fork, and we're going to see if it starts pulling apart.
Well, is it? Not quite yet, is it?
Getting close. Yeah, it needs just a little bit longer.
Okay.
Getting close, though. Give me another half hour.
Okay. Looks good though, doesn't it? You getting hungry?
It's cooked about, what, 4 hours now?
Oh, something like that.
3.5
We
to
didn't
4 hours.
actually time it.
Yeah. It's looking pretty good. It's pulling pretty good. A couple pieces of fat she's digging out. We're not fat fans. So
No, we're not.
it's good for cooking.
We don't want Iris getting
So
it,
we'll just
though.
throw them in the fire. That'll take care of that.
Yep.
And all there is to do is finish pulling it, and we'll show you how to serve it up.
Well, it's ready. I'm hungry. Here's how we're going to serve it.
We've got
Baguette.
baguettes. You can use Kaiser rolls, something good and hearty, because this can have a wet sandwich, you might call it.
Yeah, it is. And I tell you, the Kaiser rolls they had at the store
We're not too good.
they were too soft, I thought. So that's why Wade don't really like this idea, but I think it's going to work out just fine.
So you put your cheese on your roll, and you get in there and get a big pile of meat on it.
There you go. Now, we're going to eat it with salad, of course, and we got some nice chips.
It's a wet sandwich.
Mm-hmm. This is not one you can eat on the road. Iris says, "Where's mine, Dad?" That's a good sandwich.
Lots of meat.
Where's your pepperoni?
I'll get a couple of them.
I don't like those straight. He does. Iris may be saying she wants some supper too.
Have one of them. One of those. Whoops, I lost it. You're all wedged in there. There we go. Looks good, doesn't it? Great.
So, that's our Italian beef. It's easy. Now, in the cookbook, it says you're supposed to sear your meat in 2 tablespoons of butter. You don't have to. That's optional.
Yeah.
It tastes fine the way it is.
Yeah, it does.
And that about does it for actually this whole weekend, doesn't it?
Pretty much. We'll probably do a little quick see you in the morning before we get out of here, but
So,
and we're eating a little early because actually daylight savings time ended last night. So we actually ate a late breakfast, and then we had a little snack,
and our dessert burritos that we showed last week.
and then we're eating supper a little bit early before it gets dark, and that works pretty good this time of year. So, but it's a beautiful day, a lot better than yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
Short, we got long sleeves, but that's it. And light breeze, very light breeze right now.
So
As
if
the sun's
you
setting.
like this video, give us a thumbs up. That's a like. Comment on if you've tried this in a crock pot, how well you like it, or any other crock pot recipes you might want to give us.
Yep.
Subscribe if you haven't already. We really need you to subscribe. And we appreciate you watching.
Yep, and thanks again for watching. See you next week.
And don't forget about the cookbook coming out.
Yep, we'll get more details as soon as we get them.